In The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss, the book challenges traditional notions of success and work. Ferriss introduces the new rich lifestyle, emphasizing freedom and fulfillment over conventional success. The introduction shares Ferriss's dissatisfaction with the typical work-life model and invites readers to question the status quo. The book's core principle, deal, definition, elimination, automation, and liberation, sets the stage for lifestyle redesign. Definition encourages readers to clarify their goals and values, redefining their approach to work and live. This principle serves as a foundation for the book's themes of challenging societal norms and outlining strategies for a more fulfilling and liberated lifestyle. Overall, the introduction acts as a catalyst, urging readers to reconsider their work-life balance and aspire to greater autonomy and fulfillment. It sets the tone for unconventional ideas and practical strategies to achieve more while focusing on personal priorities. In the 4-Hour Workweek, the concept of definition stands as a crucial element for lifestyle redesign. Tim Ferriss emphasizes the importance of clarity in objectives, urging individuals to define their personal lives and aspirations based on authentic desires rather than societal expectations. Setting explicit expectations to work, lifestyle, income, and freedoms establishes a clear direction. Through intentional life design that aligns goals with values, readers are encouraged to break away from the societal norms and challenge established conventions. Definition empowers individuals to take control of their lives, crafting a meaningful existence that resonates with their values and redefines the notion of personal success. The key aspects of elimination. In his productivity philosophy, Tim Ferriss emphasizes the 80-20 principle, contending that 80% of results stem from 20% of efforts. This involves pinpointing the essential few tasks with the greatest impact and concentrating on them, while eliminating or delegating less productive activities. Ferriss also advocates for conducting a time audit to discern time allocation, prioritizing tasks aligned with goals, and discarding low-value activities. Learning to say no to commitments incongruent with priorities is deemed vital, requiring the establishment of boundaries. Additionally, outsourcing and delegating non-core tasks are endorsed to optimize focus on high-impact activities, thereby freeing up time and mental bandwidth. The purpose of elimination. The 4-Hour Workweek underscores the principle of elimination, emphasizing the benefits of focused action. By eliminating non-essential tasks, individuals can channel their energy towards meaningful priorities, enhancing productivity. Liberation of time occurs through the removal of unnecessary commitments, providing the opportunity to pursue activities aligned with personal goals. This process also reduces overwhelm by simplifying life, decluttering both physical and mental spaces. Overall, the principle advocates for a systematic approach to identify and eliminate distractions, inefficiencies, and low-value tasks, enabling individuals to streamline efforts and concentrate on actions that bring the most significant impact and fulfillment to their lives. The key aspects of automation. Ferriss advocates for efficiency through systematic approaches. Firstly, by building systems that operate autonomously, structuring workflows and routines for automated functionality. Secondly, outsourcing and delegation play a pivotal role in task automation, enabling individuals to focus on high-value responsibilities. Thirdly, leveraging technology and tools, like automation platforms and apps, reduces manual effort, encompassing tasks from email automation to data analysis. And lastly, Ferriss promotes efficiency through batching similar tasks and streamlining process, emphasizing scheduled, distraction-minimized time blocks for specific activities. The purpose of automation. Automation, as emphasized by Tim Ferriss, serves multiple purposes. Foremost, it enhances efficiency by streamlining processes and reducing the time and effort required for tasks. Additionally, automation contributes to time liberation by freeing individuals from repetitive or low-value activities, allowing them to invest time in more meaningful pursuits. The scalability of automated systems is highlighted, enabling growth without a proportional increase in effort, particularly advantageous for entrepreneurs and businesses aiming to expand. Ferriss underscores the application of the 80-20 rule to automation, emphasizing the importance of automating the vital few tasks that yield the most significant results, aligning with the principle of optimizing high-value activities through efficient automation. Liberation. Ferriss promotes a holistic notion of freedom encompassing geographic, time, financial, and experiential dimensions. Advocating liberation from fixed work locations, time-consuming tasks, financial constraints, and materialism, Ferriss prioritizes experiences over possessions. The underlying purpose is to craft a lifestyle that aligns with personal goals, reducing dependence on traditional work models and fostering autonomy. Introducing the new rich concept, Ferriss emphasizing prioritizing experiences and freedom over the accumulation of wealth. The Muse strategy involves creating an income source that requires minimal effort to sustain a desired lifestyle, encapsulating his vision of a liberated and purposeful life. Key aspects of the Muse. 1. Passive income source. The Muse is essentially a business venture or income-generating activity that operates independently or requires minimal involvement once set up. This could include an online business, automated product sales, affiliate marketing, or any other source of income that doesn't demand constant attention. 2. Automation and outsourcing. To create a Muse, Ferriss emphasizes the importance of automating and delegating as much of the work as possible. This involves leveraging technology, outsourcing tasks, and streamlining processes to reduce the need for continuous personal involvement. 3. Lifestyle design. The Muse isn't just about generating income, it's about designing a lifestyle. It's aimed at providing financial freedom and flexibility, allowing individuals to focus on personal interests, passions, or other endeavors while still earning income. Purpose of the Muse. The Muse serves as a pathway to financial freedom by establishing a consistent income stream requiring minimal active involvement, thus liberating individuals from the confines of the traditional 9-to-5 work model. The emphasis on creating a Muse extends beyond finances to encompass lifestyle design, encouraging individuals to construct a life where they work less, indulge in activities they enjoy, and possess the freedom to explore diverse interests and passions. This dual focus on financial independence and intentional lifestyle design encapsulates Ferriss's vision for achieving a more liberated and fulfilling existence. Thank you for watching. If you found this valuable, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for part 2.